Now, as the countdown continues to the Gibson Mccook relays, fans can look forward to a treat in the 4x100-meter relay for Class 1 girls. Gerard Morris-Seeley tells us more in this report.
The high-pressure technical event, which is the 4x100 meters relay, is always an eagerly anticipated one. And the high school Class 1 girls sprint relay will be very competitive at Saturday's staging of the Gibson Mccook relays. Most of the girls expected to compete would have been in the Class 2 race at the 2025 edition, which Heidel won in 45.70 seconds. But having stepped up a level, Edwin Allen, who won the Class 1 in 44.81 seconds, will fancy their chances of winning this edition despite having to wait until the Central Champs event on Wednesday to gauge their progress in a race that will feature arch rivals Homewood Technical and St. Jago High. Immaculate Conception High will be a team to watch, however, after their recent performance at the Corporate Area Champs. Immaculate blazed to a meet record of 45.68 seconds to win Heat 1 ahead of Excelsior and Penwood High before returning a day later to lower that record to 45.48 to win the overall event, beating the Eagles again and Holy Childhood. The girls from Constant Springs say they expected to produce the win.
I mean, definitely not surprised. From the season started, we were, it's one of our goals, one of our many goals. So we've been working towards it and now it's put into play and yeah, everybody's just excited.
And as for whether they have more in the tank, the quartet remained coy.
I mean, I feel like you just have to watch to see what Immaculate has to offer. Nothing much to say. Of course, we will continue working on what we have now and yeah.
The event will kick off the high school competition at the Gibson Mccook Relays and is scheduled for 4:30 p.m. Gerard Morris-Seeley for TVJ Sports.